Hi, beautiful spicy family. Welcome to D Dawn Kitchen. D Dawn is at it is again. And what will D Dawn be doing today? Yes, you always get it right. We will be doing steamed callaloo. How to prepare the callaloo and then steam it. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share the video. Hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when you done upload a video. And to all my YouTuber supporters, subscriber, follower, a very big warm welcome to you all. Guys, I love you all. Without you, I wouldn't have made it on YouTube. So please continue to support, like up the video, share the video, and subscribe. Let's get started. Half teaspoon salt, 1 or half a Scotch bonnet pepper, 3 stalks of scallion, 1 onion, some spring of thyme, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of cooking butter, 1 bungle of callaloo, about 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm using the olive oil. Normally when you buy the callaloo, you just want to remove the wrapper whatsoever they tied with. So this is the rubber band. And they're going to separate the callaloo. You don't want the callaloo to be sitting too long or else the leaf then begin to fall off. So how we going to prepare the callaloo? At the end right there, this is the first thing you're going to do. You're going to cut just like that. And then you're going to strip. We have to strip the callaloo. So you hold and you strip. You see? Come back at the beginning right there. And we're going to strip. Turn it around, spin it around, and strip. After we finish strip the callaloo, you're gonna search the leaf for worm. Any crawling insect, the leaf fold down, just pull it out with your finger, turn them over, and search for worm or worm eggs. Any worm or worm egg, you're gonna cut off that leaf. Right, this one is brown at the end. It already popped off in my hand. So after you finish search your leaf, you're gonna set this aside and then move on, take up a next one, do the same thing. Right, so if you bind the callaloo and you see all the leaf them look like this with these white patches, it's worm eggs. So don't buy if you see all the leaf of the callaloo is like this. It's not good. A lot of people don't know this, so they would still buy it. And if you buy the callaloo, you can know if it's tough, because when the callaloo tough, it's hard for cook and it not taste good. See, this worm eggs, worm eggs. So you don't need this, you cut it off. So when you buy the callaloo, all you know if it's soft, or this is a stem, right? So you can always break it with your finger like this. So if you can't break it, you know the callaloo is really tough. It's all. So I would waste my money and buy the callaloo if it's all, because when it cook, it don't taste good. This is salt in my hand. We're gonna catch water and we're gonna put the salt in the bowl. You just want this salt to be dissolved out because it's a type of special salt I'm using. So let it dissolve out. And then you're going to place the callaloo in a bowl of salt water. You hold it by the stem same way. And you're going to, you lift and you shake. You lift and you shake. The part that you hold, let it go and shake it in the water. You can let it stay in the salt water like a minute. And you rinse it. Any worm, any insect is hiding under the leaf then, they will wash off in the water. And you're gonna throw out that salt water and you touch fresh water. Just let it run under the water and you shake, shake, shake again. Pour that water off. Remember the callaloo grow in the soil, and when you rinse it to it, release any soil, any dirt tape on the leaf there, it will wash off in the water, any gravel or sand. 3 times rinse our callaloo. This is good enough. Okay, after we finish, you're gonna hold the callaloo about 3 at a time. It depends on how thick it is because some callaloo is thicker than some. And I normally cut the stem. I want to cut in on the stem. Just be careful of the knife and your finger. And you want to have a sharp knife. So you hold the callaloo tight and we're going to go right at the end, like just like that. And you're going to cut the callaloo as fine as possible. So this is the stem I'm cutting in. So once the stem is too thick like this one here, you just want to slice down on it. So when you get to the leaf, you're just going to twine in your hand, hold it as tight as possible. Tight, tight, tight. And then you cut. If you want to cut the callaloo on the board, just hold it as tight as possible and about 1 inch you press and you chop on the cutting board. Remember, you have to squeeze it tight. If it gets loose, just fold it again in your hand as tight as possible. Press down on it and cut. 5 okra I'm gonna add to the callaloo. Just remove the top. And you're gonna cut it as thin as ever. Thin, thin, thin. Like that. We're gonna cut and we're just gonna add it to the callaloo. You know, when you buy okra, guys, you know how you test it. The okra is full of a lot of slime. You see that? You know how you test your okra to see if it's young? You hold the hand right here, and you come like this with your finger. You hear it crack? Yeah, if you bind the okra and you bend it and you see it down like this. Let me show you like this. When the okra hold and you come like this, you see it's not gonna crack. It's not gonna bend. So you don't want to buy this because it can't eat. It's tough. So now we done all of this, we're just gonna add it to the callaloo. Put the salt in. And you're just gonna rub it in. Rub it in, rub it in, rub it in. And you're just gonna cover this a little and let it remain there for some time. Okay guys, so this is our callaloo. Fresh green callaloo. So that's how you prepare your callaloo. So the next step now, I'm gonna show you how to steam it. So remember to like the video, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you will be the first to know when Didan upload a video. We're gonna light the stove. We're gonna add the olive oil, 6 tablespoons. You can use even 2 tablespoons. You don't need to use a lot of oil. I'm gonna add the butter. The callaloo. I'm gonna add the callaloo in. You see how the pot almost full with callaloo, and when it's steam you're gonna see how little bit it gets. The callaloo is something it shrinks. We're not using any water whatsoever to steam the callaloo. So all you have to do now is lower the fire. And we're gonna cover the pot and we're gonna let the callaloo steam for like 10 to 15 minutes. So this is it, beautiful people. Our steamed callaloo is now ready for eating. Ain't it looking delicious, guys? And look at all that steam that blowing from it. I told you the aroma is in the air. So go ahead and give it a try. If you normally steam your callaloo with water, do not use any water as from today. Just follow the easy technique from Didan. And this coming from Didan kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy your steamed callaloo or fresh greens. And on the side there, as you can see, some bean and rice. Yes, you know, Didan already do a video on bean and rice. We call it rice and peas in Jamaica. But a lot of places they call it bean and rice. So go ahead and check out Didan cooking of the rice and peas or bean and rice. I hope you enjoyed this video today. And beautiful people, I really thank you. I thank you for your support. I thank you for your like. I thank you for sharing the video. I thank you for being there with me since I've started my YouTube channel. I thank you for the journey and continue journey with me as I journey with you. Take care and I see you on the next one. Peace and love all the time.